past 22 years, Century Beauty Dress Company Limited is dedicated to manufacture and technological innovation on shapewear products. We have been established a great strategic cooperation with clients from over 60 countries and regions across the world and provided them with excellent and convenient service. Our outstanding R&D and design team is committed to innovation and breakthrough, mining different demands of different people to create market-leading quality products, equipped with modern production lines and the use of scientific management mode. We have achieved high-quality products and a market-stable supply. The production team with ingenuity convergence, which is rigorous and extreme, ensures that every product is to the best of quality. Shuyuan and Shuyuan Shangping, two brands possesses under Century Beauty Dress Company Limited, while the product's quality of them expressing our comprehensive power and demonstrating the health beauty of women. In addition to our own brands, we also build brand competitiveness for partners. We joined hands to lead the market and promote common development.